Like you said, what three women stand around and talk about siding?
Three women living in Northern California after the fires.
My name is Jessica Lynn Link.
And my name is Andrew Christian Johnson.
We have a small vineyard and a small wine brand that we do here on the property.
We're in the mountains between Santa Rosa and Calistoga, so between Napa and Sonoma County, in a little community called Knights Valley, which has vineyards and cows. And that's about it. It's been the same since the first day I ever came up here. It's comfort. I walk into it and it makes me feel warm.
It's everything.
I had a very specific look that I wanted for the outside of the house. And the James Hardie siding gave me that, plus the positive aspect of providing fire protection.
Sunday night on October 8th, I was actually in the house and I smelled smoke. Grabbed the dogs, and as we were leaving, we were traveling with the fire. It was showering ashes on us.
Nobody had any idea the fires were going to be as big as they were, or that it was going to be the devastation that it was. 3 to 4 days after the fire, 90,000 people had been evacuated from their homes in Santa Rosa.
I knew the house was gone. So it was 19 days before they opened the roads and allowed us to come up here.
We came up here and everything was just black all around. There were trees that were down the hill that were still smoldering and burning, and then we get up here and our house is, in relative terms, fine. Spectacular, even.
Everything outside the house was destroyed, but the house was standing. We were lucky.
I think we're lucky. The house is not.
Correct.
The house is well built. James Hardie siding really helped keep our house safe through the fire.